Hi, good morning. My name is Michelle. I'm a reference librarian for the Johns Island Regional Library. Today, we're going to talk about our new owl house that was donated by the Magnolia Club of Johns Island. We're very excited about possibly having nesting screech owls this winter.
I'm Jen Tyrell with Audubon, South Carolina, and here I have a northern saw-whet owl house or a screech owl house. These can be used for either owl species, but here in the low country, we only get screech owls. Saw-whet owls live in the very far reaches of the upper corner of our state, and so we really don't see them too often unless you live up there, but screech owls are pretty common down here. They live in a lot of neighborhoods and parks and forests, and a place like this is a great spot to put a screech owl house. They typically like to be about 15 to 30 feet up in the air, so if you can get a big ladder, get up into a tree that high and have it kind of facing a little bit of an open area with not a lot obstructing the front area of the house, that's ideal. And they love to eat things like little frogs and lizards and insects, small mice, shrews, anything like that they will feast on in your yard. So they're great little birds to have around. They help with some pests, and they're really cute too because they're tiny little owls.
If you look above Deb's head, you can see the owl box high up on the tree.